Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Copilot as an AI tool to generate a VLOOKUP formula for your Excel file. So in this video, we'll show you how to use a VLOOKUP tool without really need to type in the formula. So here we created a book already for you. Now, all you need to do is to access your Copilot, which you can do here upon entering MS365. Just go to these 9 dots right here, and then select Microsoft 365 Copilot, and then this will open up. From here, just go to Copilot, Copilot chat, and then since we already have a book prepared here, make sure that the book has a table set already. And then from here, just click on Add Content, select Attach Cloud Files, select Book, click on Select, and then here, just type in Create a VLOOKUP formula for the table provided. And then automatically Copilot will be generating that formula for us. As you can see here, it already gave us the ID number, the value to look up at, and this is the formula that we will need. So sometimes you need to copy paste this, but most of the time you just really need to download it. So would you like me to help you insert this formula into the file? Yes. Insert the formula. And then sometimes it takes a while, but oftentimes the formula is already there. So as you can see, this is the book with the VLOOKUP formula. So let's click on this. Click on enable editing. And there you have it. So for the lookup value, you need to change this because sometimes it's you just need to fix it at times like so. And just type it in. And there you have it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget it, of course, the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.